Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazipsa, my dear students, and today we are going to learn. What addition and subtraction of money. As per yesterday, I was told you. Okay, in a worksheet only we have done the two questions. How many questions we have done? Two questions. So now further with that both question we are going to repeat, okay, and then further we will going to move on further question. Got my points, my dear students? Understood, all of you? Okay, so you have to write these all things with me, all my dear students, in your book. So my dear students, what I am telling you, addition and subtraction of money, we are going to learn. Okay, we are going to revise that all question. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, so before starting our sessions, I am going to present today's quote, and then after we will move on further. So today's quote is what, my dear students? Today's quote is what? Problems are not stop signs. They are guidelines. Okay, problems are not stop signs. They are guidelines. What, my dear students? They all are guidelines. What my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So my dear students, problems are not a stop signs, they are guidelines. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Okay, and what is the name of the chapter? Money. Chapter number 11, money, we are going to learn. Okay, money we are going to learn. Further, my dear students, I am telling you here, we don't know the old rupees. Okay, our forefathers, they all are using the rupees or coins. We don't know that coins, and we never seen that all coins. So now I am going to present, my dear students, old coins. Okay, so now see here, my dear students, old coins, they all are used our forefathers. Okay, means our fathers, grandfathers, all are using that all rupees. Okay, my dear students, see, first of all here 1 rupees coin is here, old 1 rupees coin, 1 paisa. Okay, 1 rupees coin before coming a 15 paisa, 25 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa. Okay, I was taught you, my dear students, difference between paisa and coins and rupees. Okay, rupees, coin and paisa I was going to teach you again, and I was taught you, my dear students. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you? So is this a 1 rupees? Is this a 2 rupees coin? And this is a 1 paisa coin, 2 paisa coin and 3 paisa coin. Is the 1 paisa. 1 paisa shows a what, my dear students? 2 paisa, 3 paisa. Okay, then after 4, then after 5. Okay, got my points, my dear students? Understood? 5 paisa, 10 paisa, as like that, my dear students. So now I am going to write here, my dear students, all things here for you. You have to write with me in your book, my dear all. .10. See, 1 paisa. It's the 1 paisa. What my point is the 1 paisa. Then after here is, my dear students, 2 paisa. Okay, my dear students? Got my points, my dear students? Understood? 2 paisa. Okay, So now you note down with me, my dear students, 1 paisa is equal to 0.10. Then after 2 paisa is equal to 0.20. Then after here is 2 paisa, and then after here is 3 paisa. Okay, my dear all. So my dear students, that all paisa using our forefathers. Got my points, all my dear students? So you have to compulsory note down this all rupees and coins in your rough book. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, it's the 1 paisa, 2 paisa and 3 paisa. See here, my dear students, see here properly what they all wrote in a coins, on a coins. Okay, my dear, see 1, it's very old, in 1968. Okay, and it's a 1991. So my dear students, it's the very old rupees paisa. Okay, got my points, my dear students? 1 paisa, 2 paisa and 3 paisa. Got my points? Understood, all of you? And then after here we will going to move 5 paisa and 10 paisa. Okay, my dear students, 5 paisa and 10 paisa. Students, I hope you all understood. See, this is 1979. Okay, this is made in 1979, and here is not a proper visible, that is all old rupees, 5 paisa and 10 paisa, my dear students. Okay, and we are not that rupees using. Okay, day by day we are updating. Okay, day by day new notes are coming, new coins are coming. Okay, as per you know, now a 10 rupees new coin is coming, then after a 25 rupees new coin is coming. Okay, but before our father or our grandfather, their all coins are using, and our father and our grandfather is also use that all rupees. Okay, and those who are don't know, never seen this rupees, see here, my dear students. Okay, that all are rupees, and that all rupees use our fathers, grandfathers, and that all, those all are peoples. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood. Now 20 paisa, 25 paisa and 15 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? 20 paisa, 20, 25 and 50 paisa. Okay, 25 paisa is updated, and see, my dear students, 25 paisa is what look like that a 5 rupees coin, new 5 rupees coins. Okay, got my points, my dear students? 20 paisa, 25 paisa and 15 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So you have to note down these all things in your book. Okay, if you have any notes or any rupees, so my dear students, make a chart. Okay, and in our museum, our city's museum, our state museum, okay, old rupees are collected there, and they all are preserved in a museum. Okay, as a what, my dear students? As our past history of money. So, and our fathers and our mothers and grandfathers also preserve the old rupees for us. But my points, my dear students, for showing us. So my dear students, this is all what? Rupees. Okay, 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 20 paisa. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. See, this is all updated and new note. What, my dear students? This is all updated and new notes. So what to do, my dear students? You note down this all rupees notes. See here, green in color, pink colors note and green colors writing here. See, 2000 rupees. How many, my dear students? How much rupees is here? 2000 rupees. Pink note is a 2000 rupees notes. Okay, dear all, what I am telling you, keep it in mind these all points, dear all. Keep it in mind these all points, my dear all students, in your book. Do fast. The 200 rupees notes. It's the 2000 rupees notes. It's the 2000 rupees notes, and it's the 500 rupees notes. It's the 200 rupees notes. 2000 rupees by mistake. I forgot to tell you, it's a 2000 rupees notes, my dear students. It's a 2000 rupees notes, and this 500 rupees notes. 500 rupees notes. Okay, and then here is, my dear students, 100 rupees notes. 100 rupees notes is here. Then after, here is 5015 rupees notes. 5015 rupees notes. Got my points? 200 rupees notes, 500 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, and 15 rupees notes. 2000 rupees notes, 500 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, and 15 rupees notes. Again I am going to repeat for you all. 2000 rupees, 500 rupees, 100 rupees, and 15 rupees. Got my points? Understood all? That is, all notes are available in a daily life. Okay, my dear students, now we will move on further. See here, which new notes? This is new notes. Okay, this is old, this is old, and this old. Got my points? This is a 20 rupees notes, 10 rupees, 5 rupees notes, and 2 rupees notes. 2 rupees coins is also available, and 2 rupees coins notes also, both things are available. Okay, and as like that, it's same. 10 rupees notes are coming. 10 rupees notes is already with us, and a coin is also available. Okay, same things for 5 rupees. 5 rupees notes is for us, available for us, and 5 rupees coins available for us, and 20 rupees notes, not a coins coming off, not available of 20 rupees coin. Got my points, my dear students? So this is all notes, and you have to identify this. You have to know which notes. Okay, 20 rupees notes, 5 rupees notes, 2 rupees notes, and 10 rupees notes. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, so then after, my dear students, we will move on further our next here. Okay, next, see here, 1 rupees notes. Here is 1 rupees notes, and here is both side of 10 rupees new coin of 10 rupees. How much, my dear students? 10 rupees. See, and here what is that written is here? 2008. Okay, 2008. Here is 1 rupees coin. Okay, one more things, my dear students, 1 rupees coin is available for us, and 1 rupees notes and coins, both things available for us, my dear students. Okay, what my points, my dear students? All understood? I hope you all are understood, dear all. 1 rupees coin. This is a 10 rupees coin, all my dear students. And here is what, my dear students? See, all as per I was showing a coins. Again, that all are coins come, but and there are some only rupees coin. Here is some difference. See, 5 rupees coin, that is new 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 1 rupees coin, 25 paisa, 20 paisa, 15 paisa. Okay, and very old coins is what? 1 rupee is not 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, and 20 paisa. Okay, see, my dear students, properly. Okay, see, this is all. It's very important, and that all are used by our forefathers. They all are using. And note down this, my dear students, all coins in your rough book. And then after we will move on further, dear. So my dear students, now we will move on further here. Addition and subtraction of money. What, my dear students? Addition and subtraction of money. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you? Addition and subtraction of money, dear all. So you have to note down these all things, my dear students. So my dear students, 35 plus 5. As per I was told you, 5 plus 5. How many, my dear students? 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay. 5 plus 5 is equal to how many, my dear students? 10. Okay. 10 of 0 is down. 10 of 0 is down. 0 is down and 1 is a form of carry, my dear students. And then after, my dear students, 3 plus 1 is equal to how many, my dear students? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. So answer is what? 40, 40. Got my points, my dear students? Answer is what? 40, 40. Got my points all? So my dear students, what I am telling you, 3 plus how many, my dear students? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, dear all, 3 plus is equal to 4. So answer is what? 40, 40, 40. Got my points? Understood all, my dear students? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood. Okay, as per yesterday I was told you, my dear students, as per yesterday I was told you have to write with me in your fair book also. Got my points, all of you? Understood all? Then after now we will going to solve this question number B all. Okay, so 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2, how many all? 10 and 11. 9 plus 2, 10 and 11. Okay, so I am going to put here 1 here, down, and 1 is a form of carry. Okay, got my points, my dear students? Okay, 1 is a form of here and 1 is a carry. Then after 6 plus 1, how many only, my dear students? 7. Okay, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. How many, my dear students? 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Then after we will move on question number C. Let's check here the question number C, my dear students. 42 plus 8. Here is what all is money. Okay, here we going to calculation for money. Okay, so 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So 10 of 0 here and 1 is a form of carry, my dear students. 1 is a form of carry. Then after, my dear students, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. How many, my dear students? 5. Got my point? So answer is what? 50, 50. How many? 50, 50. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood. Okay, my dear students? So now you have to note down this this question number C. Then we will move on further, dear. Then after question number D. Okay, so 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. So how many, my dear students? 7 plus 4. So 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, 11 of 11 of 1 here and 1 is a form of carry. What my points, my dear students? Then after here is we do the addition here. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to how many, my dear students? 6. Okay. 5 plus 1 is equal to how many all? 6. So answer is what, all my dear students? Answer is 61. Answer is 61. So you note down this all answer, my dear students, in your book. So my dear students, you note down this. What? You note down these sums. Question number 4. Okay, I'll give you time here, my dear students. You note down this homework, my dear students. Okay, and then after we will going to solve a further question number 5, 6, 7 or 8, my dear students. Got my points, all my dear students? So then after further question is what all? Further question is 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, how many, my dear students? 9 plus 3, 10, 11 and 12, my dear students. Okay, so 12 of 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. 12 of 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, then after here is 8 plus 1. How many, dear? 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to how many, my dear students? 9. Okay, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then after 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. Okay, my dear students, all 6 plus 6 is equal to 6. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 30. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 1, 3, 30. 3 here as a form of 3 is downside and 1 as a form of carry, my dear students. 1 as a form of carry, my dear all. And then after 1 plus 7 is equal to how many, my dear students? 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Okay, my dear students, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Okay, dear all, what I am telling you? So you have to note down with me, my dear students. Okay, then after we will move on further. Okay, so note down this question number 6, my dear students. So now I am going to solve the question number 7. Okay, so 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. How many, my dear students? 15. 15 of 5 is a downside. 5 downside and 1 is a form of carry. Okay, my dear all students, 1 is a form of carry, my dear students. So now I am going to write that 1 carry here. Okay, so it's this 1 carry. Then after 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. How many, my dear students? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, my dear students. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Now the last sum, my dear students, you have to note down the last sum. You have to note down the last sum. You do your own self. Try to solve on self. Okay, so this is for your homework, my dear students, and as per I was told you, you have to write this all addition of money, you have to write in your fair book. Understood? Got my points? You have to write to where in your fair book, and then after try to do in your rough book orally. Understood all? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.